Hey, this is Chantel WTI. We had a standard shower head in this bathroom for the longest time, and we decided we needed something that would be removable so that it would be easier to bathe our dogs. Our beagles spend a lot of time outdoors, and living in the South means mud and ticks. Yuck. So bathing them is a top priority. And our method was working okay for a while, but who doesn't love making things easier on themselves? Having this handheld shower head has been great. It makes bathing the pups so much easier. I also love that this shower head by Cobbe has a 20-stage filtration system, which is great for any type of hair. And the long flexible hose is great too. There are also 6 settings, so if you're like me and like a hard pulse mode, this is a shower head for you. We have family coming to visit from California in a few weeks, and I cannot wait to see what they think of this upgrade. Scout is a bit of a stinker during bath time, but I think he's liking this new shower head. And now he's so fresh and so clean. I also love this matte black finish. It goes great with everything else in our son's bathroom. This shower head has been a game changer, but that's just our point of view.